Rapur. Rapur came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag. Ano sinotis po, Kuya Richie natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talents. But in folks, this afternoon, ipapakita ni Dominic ang kanyang hunting skill or ang kanyang hunting behavior sa inyo po. Okay, so bago natin gagawin yan, ayan, mukhang ready na dyan si Kuya Chimar, Secretary. Now, Dominic, are you ready to hunt the boy? Okay, ayan na siya, folks. And there you go. As you can see, folks, Dominic swore or flew and snatches food from Kuya Chimar. So ganyan na ganyan sila mag-hunt ng pagkain sa wild, folks. Once again, ipapakita ulit yan ni Dominic, guys. Alright, now Dominic, one more pa daw, boy. Alright, ipapakita ulit yan ni Dominic. Pero bakit? Pabubuntay muna natin dito si Dominic sa gitna, no? Okay. Yun lang kung pupunta si Dominic. Okay. Alright. Hi, Dominic. Hello. Okay, atin lang muna natin, folks. Sige, direct na lang daw natin kay Kuya Chimar. Now, Dominic, o dyan na naman. Diyan pwesto, okay? Ayan na naman siya, folks. And grabe talaga ito si Dominic. Guys, ang galing mo talaga, boy. Now, folks, from mini guides, practice football. At syempre kasama yung dito kanyang personal trainer. Yes, Kali. Alright, now, Kali, are you ready to fly na, boy? Okay, tayo na muna natin, folks. Alright, now, Kali. Ano medyo nahihiya kasi si Kali this afternoon, so ipitigin lang natin, folks, ha? Alright, now, Kali, ayan na siya, guys. And there you are. Also, folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. Now, folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know they can turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they're in flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pagpag kapag sila ay lumilipad. And so for Kali muna, a round of applause para sa kanilang face. Alright, siyempre si Kuya Cyril. Okay, now guys, to our last raptor review. Okay, ayun na guys, tapos na tayo sa ating mga raptors, no? Pero huwag magalala, folks. Marami po tayong mga animal ambassadors na makikita this afternoon. At mukhang ready na